He started talking about the need for sheet presses replacement in the Fargo plant. Throughout that time, it was determined that our best course of action was to get into the Komori. We looked at all kinds of other presses and realized that Komori was the best fit for us. We went about it as getting into what was the LS press at the time in 2006, which is when we purchased our first press, and that replaced 2 other presses in the company. And then 3 years later, we replaced another press with another LS press through Komori, and we've stayed true to them because of the quality of their presses, the enhancements that they continue to make, and kind of the longevity as well of their company. And it's a good company to work with, and they have very deep knowledge with what they do day to day, and the ease of operation of doing business with them has really been outstanding for us to have the opportunity to just be a partner with them.